The 1980 to 1986 Ford F-150 redefined what a pickup truck could be, with aerodynamic styling, improved fuel efficiency, and upgraded interiors. This generation balanced capability with modern comfort. Ford introduced smaller V8s, 6-cylinder engines, and overdrive transmissions, allowing the F-150 to handle work and daily driving without compromise. Reinforced frames, improved suspension, and safety upgrades enhanced durability and ride quality. Trim levels expanded with XL, XLT, and Lariat packages, offering buyers customization and luxury options, from towing heavy loads to family trips. The F-150 proved versatile and dependable. This era set the foundation for the modern pickup truck, influencing designs for decades. Learn how Ford maintained America's best-selling truck status while embracing innovation and efficiency. The early 1980s marked a pivotal moment for the Ford F-150. The landscape of the American automotive industry was shifting. Rising fuel costs, stricter emission regulations, and increasing consumer demand for more efficient yet capable trucks challenged manufacturers. Ford recognized that the F-150 needed to evolve not only to maintain its position as America's best-selling pickup, but to embrace the era of aerodynamics and fuel efficiency without compromising the rugged reliability that had defined the truck for years. The 1980 F-150 introduced subtle but significant aerodynamic refinements. Gone were some of the boxier, older lines. In their place, engineers incorporated smoother contours, angled front grilles, and sloped hoods that reduced drag while maintaining the truck's bold presence. This design was not merely aesthetic, it improved highway fuel economy, making the F-150 more attractive to buyers facing higher gasoline prices and tighter budgets. The truck remained unmistakably American, with a muscular stance, wide fenders, and a commanding road presence that spoke to durability and strength. Engine options continued to evolve during this era. Ford offered a variety of power plants, including inline-6 engines for improved efficiency and small-block V8 South tuned for better fuel consumption. Innovations like overdrive transmissions became more common, allowing drivers to achieve higher speeds with lower engine revolutions, which directly impacted fuel savings. Fuel injection systems, slowly being introduced across models, enhanced reliability and combustion efficiency compared to traditional carburetors. Each technical upgrade demonstrated Ford's commitment to marrying performance with practicality, ensuring that the F-150 could still tow, haul, and endure harsh worksite conditions without guzzling gas. Suspension and handling also received attention. The F-150 retained its twin I-beam front suspension and reinforced rear leaf springs, but shocks and bushings were optimized to reduce vibrations and improve ride comfort. Engineers realized that the modern truck buyer was not just a construction worker or farmer. Many were suburban families using the F-150 for commuting, errands, and weekend adventures. This shift required a truck that could be both rugged and comfortable. Cab designs were updated, with better insulation, more ergonomic seating, and improved visibility. Optional power steering and brakes made driving easier, particularly in urban environments. The early 1980s also saw the introduction of new trim levels and configurations. Ford expanded the F-150 line with XL, XLT, and Lariat trims, offering varying levels of comfort and luxury. Buyers could select between regular cab and extended cab models, with bed lengths from 6.5 to 8 feet. Interior materials were upgraded, featuring more durable upholstery, optional carpeting, and improved dashboard layouts. Even as the truck became more refined, every design choice emphasized durability. Reinforced frames, thicker bed floors, and corrosion-resistant coatings ensured that the F-150 could handle heavy loads and harsh weather conditions while still looking modern. Fuel efficiency was a key selling point. The 1980s F-150 incorporated lighter materials and non-structural components, reducing overall weight without compromising strength. Aerodynamic design tweaks, paired with engine and transmission improvements, allowed the truck to achieve better miles per gallon than previous generations. Ford marketed this aggressively, emphasizing that buyers no longer had to sacrifice capability for efficiency. Fleets and individual consumers alike appreciated that the F-150 could still tow trailers, carry heavy loads, and navigate off-road conditions while being less expensive to operate daily. In 1981 and 1982, minor updates refined both aesthetics and mechanics. Grille designs were refreshed, headlight bezels modernized, and interior dashboards received digital instrument clusters, and higher trims are not to the eras. Technological advances. Engines were tuned for smoother power delivery and reduced emissions. Ford introduced optional air conditioning across more trims, recognizing the growing demand for comfort in everyday driving. The combination of rugged utility, comfort, and efficiency solidified the F-150's position at the top of the pickup market. By 1983, the F-150 embraced technological advancements more fully. Electronic ignition systems became standard, improving starting reliability and engine efficiency. Fuel economy continued to improve with slightly smaller carbureted V8s and the availability of six-cylinder engines. While the external appearance remained rugged, subtle refinements like flush-mounted taillights, improved bumpers, and sleeker side mirrors reflected an industry-wide shift toward modernized aerodynamic design. Buyers now saw the F-150 as a truck that could handle serious work and daily driving equally well. Safety also became increasingly important during this period. Ford reinforced cabin structures and included better crash protection. Steering columns were strengthened, braking systems upgraded with dual-circuit master cylinders, and seat belts were standardized. These improvements showed that Ford understood the changing priorities of consumers. The modern truck had to be capable, comfortable, and safe. The mid-1980s marked another critical evolution. In 1984 and 1985, trim options continued to expand, featuring higher-end XLT and Lariat packages with power windows, improved audio systems, and enhanced interior styling. Suspension tuning was refined, shocks and bushings further optimized, and bed materials upgraded to withstand heavier loads. The F-150 was no longer just a work truck. It was a full-featured vehicle that could handle daily family driving, recreational use, and professional work without compromise. Throughout 1986, Ford continued to balance aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, and capability. The F-150 had successfully transitioned into a new era, modern, efficient, yet unmistakably Ford. Competitors attempted to match Ford's offerings, but the F-150's reputation and consistent quality kept it firmly in the lead. Ford also leveraged marketing campaigns highlighting aerodynamics and fuel efficiency, with slogans emphasizing durability, strength, and practicality. Advertisements featured real-life use cases, from towing trailers across the country to hauling construction materials, highlighting the truck's versatility and reliability. By 1986, the F-150 had established a solid foundation for the next generation. This era marked a critical bridge between the rugged sixth-generation F-150 of the 1970s and the more refined, technology-driven trucks of the late 1980s and beyond. These trucks remain sought after by collectors, enthusiasts, and professionals alike, admired for their design, durability, and historical significance.